is the Gopro Hero 12 Black with the medium on. I got front and back mics on, and today we're going to use this and the Boya Mini GSR while cruising through Manhattan because people don't think GoPros still run the better. Alright, now I just have the front mic on so you don't hear the stuff that's behind me. Doing this in 4K 30, everything with the Horizon lock on. So I just turned this camera 90 degrees. Now I turned it back again 90 degrees. I'm level. Alright, I took off that stupid wind muff and I'm in the elevator, so it's no more outside elements. So the mic probably sounds a little bit better. It's still the front mic, and also while I was outside, when I did switch it to the front mic, I had the wind reduction off. When I had it on both mics, the wind reduction was on auto. Alright, what's going on? So now I got the Boya Mini on. It's tucked right, where's it? Somewhere right. Oh, it's under my undershirt. It's under my shirt. So don't know if you can hear any rustling. But this with the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the Boya Mini medium mod on, and I think it's working. I know my medium mod. Alright, sorry, I had to jump in real quick because the scratching noise that you're hearing is not the fault of the Boya Mini, which I'm using right now also. But it's not the fault of the Boya Mini, but it is in fact my GoPro Hero medium mod. The port where the TRS goes into is a little bit loose. Just like old school headphones or radios, you know, headphone jacks get a little loose. And that's the case with my GoPro Media mod. I had it since the Hero 9. So I went to the 9, 11, and 12. And during the time, those 4 years, it's got a little loose. So that little, every time you hear that little or little noises, it's just the Media mod. It's not the Boya Mini. All right, just want to let that know. Brooklyn Salute. Let's get back to the video. Mod has a little bit of an issue with the TRS port, so I guess as long as I don't touch it, it should be fine. And you should be hearing some crystal clear audio with this smooth, stable video with a great dynamic range, because GoPro is just the best. Brooklyn Salute. That's a fire truck. Alright, so I'm back at it here again. While we're doing this, let me mention a few things. This is unlike the USB-C version, this TRS version of the Boya Mini, what I'm seeing to notice, if I turn on like the noise reduction and I turn off the camera, put the camera back on, it does keep the noise reduction on. So the noise reduction may still be green, even though the camera was off and the Boya Mini was unplugged. But with the USB-C, I guess because it gets the power from the phone or the camera or whatever device, it once you unplug it, it resets back to default, which is cool. I don't mind that, because if I accidentally go into grandfather mode and I don't know it, unplugging it just resets it right back. Now let's talk about this GoPro Hero 12 Black. I love this camera. The quality, no matter what anybody says, at least during the daytime, the quality on these things are just amazing. I love them. I can't say enough about it. The microphones built into it, maybe not so great, but they work. A lot of times I find myself covering the microphone with my hand, though, and then I get that muffled sound. But to use this Boya Mini, like I said, I had to get the media mod, and that makes it bigger if I want to put it in my pocket, because I'm wearing Dickies. Got the little Dickies pocket right there, the little side pocket. The Action 4 with the Boya Mini slides right in. Even with this mount that I have on it, the magnetic mount, it still slides right in. With the GoPro in the media mod, it'll slide in, but it won't slide right back out. It's usually a fight. So I had to empty out my other pocket, slide it in there, but then I feel something big and bulky in my pocket. Also with the Action 4, since it plugs directly into the USB-C of the camera, it's easier. I don't have to take it off. With this one, I gotta take off the TRS cable, then I have to unmount the receiver because it's not gonna fit in my pocket, and I'm worried I might even damage it. And that's no good. That's no good. Especially because, like I said, the Boya Mini on my other, if you see my other video, the Boya Mini USB-C one, you can usually get for like $40, $50. But now, just saw some ignorance, sorry, got distracted. So, yeah, so the Boya Mini USB-C, you can get like $40, $50. The TRS one usually goes up for 60 bucks. So this one that I'm using right now is a $60 one. I haven't seen it below $60 yet. Same thing with the Lightning version, which I guess is gonna be the same thing like the USB-C, but I haven't seen it for under 50 bucks. But this one I haven't seen for under 60. So those are the pros and the cons. But the Hero 12, like I said, what can I say about it? I'm holding the angle of this a little low, and same way I held the Action 4. But in the Action 4 video, you kind of see it like swerving a little bit around. I had the horizon balancing on, but I guess because that one you get up to I think 45 degrees, and then it automatically flips anyway. So maybe holding it at this angle gets that makes it think it's at the 45 degrees, and it rotates it a lot. This, it just stays locked. Like I said, even if I turn it 90 degrees, 180 degrees, etc. degrees, it stays locked in. Recording at 4K 60, I can usually see myself on the screen. On the DJI Action 4, it shows you, as long as it's that whatever screen is active, that's the screen that stays live. So I would have to make the front screen active so I can see myself. For this one, both of them stay active, but right now I can't see myself because I also have this on a timer because the battery life. But either way, like I said, both of these cameras, the Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 12 Black, they're a little older, previous generations, but both great for vlogging, both great prices for the buck. GoPro Hero, of course, it's a little bit more. I think this is over $300. You can usually get the Action for under $300. But this one shoots in 5.3K. The other one is 4K max. So hope you enjoyed the little video. Hope you enjoy your GoPros. Hope you enjoy your Action 4s. And like I said, GoPro's not dead, people. GoPro's not dead. It may go to sleep at night, but it's not dead. Brooklyn salute. I'm out.